Welcome in our barbecue channel. Today our chiefs Bristow and Boki are preparing juicy pork neck. Sauté paprika with a lot of vegetables and mushroom with dry red paprika. Enjoy in preparation of this traditional Macedonian meal in a rural environment near the Ohrid Lake beach. But first, a simple cabbage salad with tomatoes and chili peppers, a pinch of salt, vinegar, and oil. Finally, we are adding parsley. And with rakia and salad, delicious Macedonian cheese from Galishnik.
Luk da isečem? Koliko češnje? После 15 минут поменяю. Abi otvori ga puno, ne može otvoriti. Za mene je otvoriti. I jajke more padaju.
The pieces of pork neck we are adding in a preheated pan with little fat.
Sporedno praćenje.
Vera vota ne se mahići.
Sporedno reke. Pola krvnik ili celo?
Pola.
Roast each side of the meat for maximum 5 minutes. It's delicious, tender, and juicy. Now, it's time for tasting.
Dođi večer van, nalasila pepela.
This is very simple recipe and we hope you will love it. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.
Така велика сирка.
Ubajna. Ovo jadje nemate probano na plaža v Onivici.
Please write comments. Thanks for watching.